Detox soup diet. Over the years, there have been a lot of diet programs that seem to come and go in such a rapid pace. Health enthusiasts and other people who desperately need to shed some pounds are always on the lookout for a better and healthier diet plan that would best work for them. With the deluge of many dangerous diseases nowadays, people have seemingly no qualms about trying out the latest fad diet, in their desire to develop a much healthier lifestyle. The concept of detoxification has been around for years now. However, it is only up until recently that it had actually captured the interest of health aficionados around the globe. This is mainly because there seems to be a more urgent and critical need to detoxify regularly in view of the large amount of toxins that we exposed ourselves to every single day. Studies have shown that amount of toxic present in the environment and in our food products, if left to accumulate for a prolonged period of time, it can trigger a host of health complications. Hence, it is a generally accepted necessity to detoxify regularly and prompted the introduction of a number of detoxification programs. One of the most preferred and highly adopted detoxification programs have incorporated the detox soup diet as one of its integral part. The most popular detox soup diet is the cabbage soup, which does not only detoxify, it also helps an individual lose weight in a healthy and natural way. Although not recommended to be adopted on a long-term basis, a week of cabbage detox soup diet can prove to be highly beneficial. Cabbage, which belongs to the Brassica family, along with broccoli and cauliflower, is said to be an effective vegetable in preventing the dreaded Big C or cancer. The cabbage detox soup diet recipe includes green onions, green peppers, tomatoes, celery, onion soup mix, juice and seasoning. The low-calorie content of this recipe will aid in efficiently helping a person shed a few pounds within 7 days, and at the same time eliminate toxic waste products in the body. However, the main drawback of the cabbage detox soup diet is the blandness of taste and the monotony of eating it for a whole week. There have also been some serious concerns raised with regards to its nutritional content, of the lack thereof. It is found to be low in protein, fatty acids and calcium, and contains high levels of monosodium glutamate. This is the main reason why cabbage soup is not recommended for more than a week.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.